this is your PSA to attend Mecca's beauty lab workshops. I attended my first one for Dr. Jart at Mecca Carousel today, and I was pleasantly surprised. I got this gift bag for just attending the session. There was no purchase necessary. We got to touch the products, feel the products, apply them, and talk about the skin concerns. They even asked if you want like still or sparkling water, which is really nice. And didn't have to, just for attending, no purchase necessary. They gave us these goodies. So the first one is the Isle of Paradise self tanning drops, 0.7 ml, not bad. The other one is Isle of Paradise self tanning serum with hyaluronic acid. It's a 4 ml bottle. Yeah, it's a 4 ml bottle, so that's not too bad. This is how it looks. And the star of the show, oh my god, are you kidding me, Mecca? This is 15 ml LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This retails for $78. What? And you gave it away for free for attending a free beauty lab session? Like, what? Oh my god, I'm obsessed.